Hey there, Jeep fam! If you're rolling with a Gladiator and looking to turn it into a real trail beast, or even just want to fit those big old tires without rubbing on every bump, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the best lift kits for your Jeep Gladiator. Whether you're hitting the off-road hard or just want that aggressive look, a proper lift kit solves clearance issues, levels out your stance, and gives you room to flex, literally. All the products we mentioned today are linked up in the description below, so feel free to check them out while we talk through the details. Starting with number 5, we've got the JKS 3-inch lift kit, and this one's pretty sweet for those of y'all looking for a high-performance, entry-level off-road setup. It's packing Fox 2.0 Performance Series shocks, lightweight aluminum and tuned for both street and trail. This system comes with dual-rate coil springs that help level the factory rake, an adjustable front track bar, quick disconnect sway bar links, and bump stop extensions. It's got full articulation when disconnected, and it keeps things plush on pavement. Just keep in mind, this kit won't fit diesel models, and you're looking at 3 inches of lift on Rubicons, 3.5 inches on Sport or Sahara trims. Expect tire fitment up to 37 inches, depending on your trim and wheel setup. Next up at number 4 is the TeraFlex 1.5-inch leveling kit. Now this one's for folks who want to add a little clearance without going full Mad Max. It's a performance spacer setup, perfect for fitting 33-inch tires on Sport Overland fenders or 35-inch on Rubicon fenders. You'll get a slight bump to compensate for heavier gear like winches or steel bumpers, and it maintains stock ride quality with original shocks, though they recommend Falcon Performance shocks for better response. Simple bolt-on install, good for a weekend wrenching session, and family-friendly too. Just note, rear bump stop strike pad extensions are a must if you're tweaking your wheel back spacing. Coming in at number 3, it's the ReadyLift 4-inch lift kit. If you're all about that bigger is better vibe, this one's calling your name. Designed to clear 37-inch tires with ease, it gives your Gladiator that aggressive stance and serious ground clearance. You get dual-rate lifted coil springs and forged adjustable front track bar for alignment correction. It's equipped with premium N3 shocks that are nitrogen-charged and built tough, so they handle off-road beatings without flinching. Bolt-on install makes it friendly for DIYers, and it comes backed by a limited lifetime warranty from Rough Country, so you're covered for the long haul. Sliding into the number 2 spot is the Rough Country 3.5-inch lift kit, very similar to the ReadyLift kit, but just a touch less in height. Same game-changing ground clearance, same high-performance N3 shock absorbers, and same dual-rate coil springs for balanced performance. The install's also bolt-on, meaning it doesn't take a NASA engineer to slap it on. You're clear to run 37-inch tires, which really opens up your terrain choices. It delivers a great blend of trail capability and daily driving comfort with durable components and a lifetime replacement warranty to keep your peace of mind intact. And finally, the top spot is held down by the Mopar 2-inch lift kit, straight from the Jeep mothership. This is the official Jeep performance parts setup, made for Gladiators with the 3.6-liter engine. It includes Fox monotube shocks for top-tier heat dissipation and smooth, fade-free ride quality. It works seamlessly with your electronic stability control and doesn't require drive shaft or brake line changes. The deflective disc valve tech reacts instantly to the terrain for a more controlled ride. Tested to meet all FCA production standards, this kit is super OEM friendly while giving you solid lift and articulation gains. It's pricey, but you're paying for quality, fit, and factory-level engineering. That's a wrap on our list. Hopefully now you've got a better grip on which lift kit fits your build, your budget, and your off-road goals. Whether you're leveling out or lifting sky high, all the links to these kits are chillin' in the video description below, so don't forget to click through and check them out. If you dug this review, hit that subscribe button and show some love. Plenty more Jeep content coming your way. Stay lifted, y'all.